All the very best to all these boys. Under 13 is the first tournament. And PVC, the पोरणाच्या भुरग्यांक आनी चड करून आमचे सगळे भाटी लोगो वाड्यांतल्या भुरग्यांक चान्स मेळटा. सो तुमकां all the best, and I wish all the very best to all the participants who will be taking part here throughout this tournament.
Sri Michael Lobo, Minister for Ports, Madam Dilala, Sarpaj of Para, and all the other dignitaries. Very happy. I'm here for the second time for this tournament, and it's something very good by Sai Para Cricketers and Sports and Cultural Association to do this. I'm also in a good mood to start this in Kandulam after looking at Shivram doing this work. I asked him last time, but he's very busy. So this time I'm going to force him to do it for me also.
All you young boys, करिस्ता जो तर धाकटे आसतना तेंच्या हातीन आमी रॅकेट दिले और बॅट दिलो और फुटबॉल दिलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता यूथ जे आहा ते स्पोर्ट्सान आनी इंट्रस्ट दिता. Sports interest, this is the right age, especially all that one small girl there. I think she's hardly around 5-6 years old or 7 years old. Right from this age. Otherwise, most of the boys and girls nowadays, they are more interested in mother's mobile or daddy's mobile or brothers or sister's mobile. They are all the time on the mobile. They spoil their eyes, they want, they get specs, spectacles at a very, very young age. And to keep them active, we require youth like Shivram and his team, other team members of Sai Para Cricketers. And to give them a boost, we also have Para Citizens Association, Anil Moraskar and the entire team. आमचो advocate Raikar, they take time. खुबशे जाणांनी म्हाका they take time to bring the youth together so that something or the other is organized and our backing is always there for them.